Minista wa URIMI na ndethia mithika Linturi naugite no mwanka Kenya ithuganie uria yumbikia gutonyithia mbeu mbithi baba ingi kirima ntujegie URIMI, akiuga ayuthi baba ingi bathuganagia URIMI ni ngugi ya ruko na baba ingi bajukagia URIMI tekanukia. Nkuruki naugite kuri na wirigiro bwa MUTUU na MAGURI nyuma ya maketha za mpempe aria ugite thirikari nerigirite kugwata nkunia nkuruki ya milioni 40 cia mpempe kimera giki. Boniface Mongera katutaririe
kerire ndi kibante to baraboka lino batu bokonda kumeza thirikari ni bangeni obobwega etekeja gushoka nkunyone cheura kana mpara ministori meja nthiguru nekija bona mithika Linturi na shokerie na gwakembere thirikari netegerete na maketha ja mpempe ya kethro ja ingi na ginya keja kuthoja tikine nkunia milioni 52 iriri ja mwaka ja nthiguru ne Kenya bakethro bethukuri nkai.
The maximum we produced was 26 million bags. So I expect this, our projections indicate that we'll hit a target of 44 million, meaning that I'll be able to bridge the gap by 19 million bags. So a minimum 44 million bags, plus or minus. This time I am, even if there is to be any deficit, because our average consumption is around 50 million to 52 million bags per year, I do not expect the deficit to be beyond 5 million bags.
Akonande kulingana minista mithika Linturi alwa maketha ja mpempe ja ketho ja gito mundene meri ejete ijo ja ketho je shukuma makulija mutu ja nthiguru ne Kenya jetho ja KINAMA ende itha kiwe gintu gikyo muno kagitene gaka kwethirwa akiuga beye kirujirisha mutu ja NKIMA yakinyira mbeshingana.
The cost of unga will drastically reduce. You know what affects prices is supply. So if we have enough supply, then there shouldn't you leave the normal demands of normal markets to fixed pricing, which is demand and supply. I am confident the farmers will make better money from whatever maize they grow now compared to the latter years, because remember, I have been able to cut the cost of production by over 50%, because when they were growing maize in those other years, they were doing fertilizer at 7, so I brought it to 35. That will make a lot of difference.
I can confirm that in the supplementary budgets to KCC, not supplementary one, KCC was allocated 700 million to help out mop-up excess milk. So KCC is ready for the next milk production spike, and we should be able to get to take all the milk which will be produced in the country.
Go tumira minde thirikari te kwethiro gitrongoge na inyankoroki kuritana ndukie mbithi enye kanya kauka gotwa twakiri mitando ya TikTok Pedro beshokera gutombeka njara ne shokiri muthetu ni mushanjere thirikari kwenda kwethiro itumira kuthiria mpara.
We cannot run away from coming up with ideas of what will make our young men and women appreciate agriculture. That's why for us to grow food now and to bring the young men, because when we were growing up, agriculture was a form of punishment.
Kewenwe bimal kantaria orano more kidhiri muno kambuni Elgon nori tethirikari okurukira ministry urimi hedhiri garwa njira cia kunenkana fertilizer na inyankoroki njira cia kunenkana kandarathi.
If they can stop distributing through KNTC and NCPB, but use the 10,000 agrovet shops that are out there, so that everybody gets a piece of the pie. The second one is that instead of awarding the tender to 2 or 3 companies, there are now 9 fertilizer blending companies in this country, brand new, spent about $1 billion shillings in new machinery. If that government business can be spread to all the players in the industry, so that everybody can benefit from the government subsidy program.
Ke report na Tosharu TV kuma jake ngine ne kineke mshoni Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.